Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have poster mockup set these files in PSD, and you can adjust your photo like a photo frame or photo mockup. So here is 10 file and in JPG file for preview. So next here, uh, adjust your image here or poster. Wow, don't fade away. Trust, okay. So you can adjust one by one. For example, I drag this file, Photoshop, and you see just simple your design is here. For example, I import any photo, for example like this. These files are in high definition. Okay, enter Ctrl S for saving, and you see there our photo is in frame behind the chair, look like a original photo. So I close this file and open any other file like this. Don't fade it, just import your design and press Ctrl S for saving. It's very simple and very easy. Drag there, okay, and Ctrl S, 75% and okay, and you see there, amazing. These files are in Russian rename. So I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Love. Peace.